I'm Suzie McAdam, owner of Suzie McAdam Design, and we are in our Georgian Townhouse project. We're sitting in the reception room, which has an incredible original mahogany panelling. We restored it, and I think it became a really rich backdrop to this room. The brief was quite interesting. This project had to have a lot of duality. It was a place to gather, to entertain, to work. We wanted to create certain moments of drama and interest, so we added this quite whimsical and interesting hand-painted detailing on the ceiling. We worked with local artists that we use, Michael Dillon, on creating this really kind of fantastical moment. We introduced these soft lavenders, almost these lime greens, and that was something I think that really worked well against the deep mahogany of the panelling. I really wanted to create an element of surprise. Again, there's kind of a perception maybe of Georgian architecture and this kind of restraint, so I think we always love a little bit of theatricality. Our approach as a design studio is always to create a kind of journey through a building and for all the spaces to have a link or a common thread, but equally each room to have its own identity and its own atmosphere. Obviously some of the meeting rooms had to have more of a kind of calm environment. The light again is different, so we wanted it to have a kind of a softer, more homogeneous feel. We loved this idea of the west of Ireland and showing Connemara ponies, and again creating that connection between here with the sofa silhouettes and then kind of with the landscape of the dining room. There's a kind of library room as well, which has a totally different atmosphere again. It's like a little jewel box, I think, with the panel ceiling and the scale. It feels like almost a dollhouse version of the reception room that we're in now. The drawing room upstairs is positioned on the piano noble of the building, so it has incredible views and the light is exceptional. We really wanted to create quite a soft atmosphere. We've used natural oaks, very curvilinear furniture, and we chose really stunning wallpaper by Ixel that has this kind of cascading wisteria, because again in the springtime there's a lot of wisteria in the vicinity, so we like that idea of kind of bringing this kind of spring moment into the drawing room.